can't hold it directly camera, YouTube, I mean, cause like, it's so loud. Oh my gosh. Okay, there's a car coming. There's like a fight there. There's like a fight, and they were cursing. I mean, I wouldn't record that. I like kids watching my YouTube channel, cause duh, I'm a kid. I'm like actually kind of, but I act like a teenager. Come on, why? You can hear that. I'm gonna talk so you don't hear it. Maybe you should stop because I'm recording here. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Come on, it's the 4th of July. You can do your fireworks wherever you want. I'm not gonna let you kids hear this. If you're like over 13 or if you're under 13, please don't watch this. You're not doing it. I'm gonna pause. Okay, here you go, YouTube. I mean, fighting. So you have to get in quick to get involved. But here are the fireworks. They're beautiful. Seriously? You want to get in your face on YouTube? No, right?